Installing the Rotarad system onto your radiator allows service users to drop that radiator down, deep clean, and reduce the risk of infection spread in hospitals or care homes. It's really attractive to contourers. Our product is designed to allow full access for cleaning and maintenance. So having a product which allows that onto a radiator really kind of partners well with what we offer as Contour for our casings and our radiators.
Enabling to clean behind the radiators is really helpful. Obviously things fall in, means they're easily retrieved, and it just ensures good cleanliness really.
We've been supplying Rotarad systems now for the last, I would say, 4 or 5 years, and we've never had any complaints or concerns of leaks, which has been fantastic for a product like this. Going into commercial buildings, it is key that you've got that quality product that has been leak tested.
It's efficient, it's quick. They don't have to call us, which is what they normally have to do is, can you come and take the radiator covers off, can you move the radiator? So it's a lot less work, a lot less hassle, as it were, so they can just carry on.
Our customers always come back to us to say that working with ourselves and Rotarad in our LSTs has always been fantastic. The reasons be is that it allows them to turn around rooms quicker, it reduces costs because they're able to get into the radiators to clean them a lot faster than they would have been if they didn't have the access.
It's hygienic, it's it needs to be that way to keep patients safe, and they need to be spotless. We can't have dirty wards, simple as that.